there and welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, then hello and welcome. For today's video, we are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and I open them here with you guys so we can see what's new in makeup together. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Let's open some of these packages. Box here came from Benefit and it looks like they are doing their brow search again. So I believe they did this last year and this is going to be a summer camp edition. So if you guys haven't heard of Benefit brow search, basically they are searching for the best in brows so you guys can enter. So all you have to do is post 2 pictures doing 2 of the brow styles. So there is all the styles right here. So there's bold and angular, feathered, natural, straight, and then the newest one, which was the winner last time, she came up with her own, which is crisp and wisp. So these are the different brow styles, and then it looks like they included all of the products that you would need to create those styles. So we have the Ka-Brow, which is one of my absolute favorites. We also have the 24-hour brow setter, which I use every single day. They also included a highbrow pencil, which you guys know I like actually to put that one in my waterline. I love that. And then we have the 3D brow tones. We also have a goof-proof brow pencil, a Precisely My brow pencil, which is my absolute favorite. And then we have their foolproof brow powder, which I've actually been using a bunch as well. And then the brow zing. So all of their brow products basically that you would need to achieve the perfect brows. I always love when they stack me up because brow products are something that I go through quite often. So this is super, super sweet. And make sure you guys enter if you are wanting to get on Benefit's radar. You can do that by entering this. Also have the chance to win $50,000. So it's super cool. So thank you so much to Benefit for restocking all of my brow products. So this next thing came from Octali and Sleek Makeup. So this is their new Distorted Dreams Highlighting Palette. Really excited to see what this looks like. I really love their Solace palette. It's a really good one. And this is their brand new one. I think if this isn't out yet, it's about to be. So love the packaging. They have some really great packaging and they are also an affordable brand. So they're definitely one to look out for. Oh my gosh. Ah, this looks so pretty. Wow, that looks gorgeous. Okay, we gotta swatch it. Here is the Distortion Palette swatch. These actually look super pretty. I'm really excited actually about these first ones. They look really fun and kind of different. And then this gold one's super pretty as well. So super excited to try this out. Thank you so much to Sleek Makeup. So next we actually got 2 packages from Urban Decay this week, which is just mind-blowing. The fact that I get packages from anyone really, but the fact that I get packages from Urban Decay is so wild to me. I have you guys to thank for all of this. You guys, like every single day, I am just in awe of the opportunities that I receive. It's mind-blowing to me. Urban Decay was like one of the first brands that I purchased from when I first got into makeup, so it's just wild. So the first package they sent over was their new Backtalk Palette. I actually used this today for my eyeshadow look and my highlight. So this is the highlight I have on as well as the blush. So I already kind of dug into this one. So this is what it looks like here. Oops, wrong way. Okay, so here is what it looks like. It's really actually kind of cool. So it has blushes and a highlight on this side. And then there's like a mirror in the middle. And then if you flip it over, it has the eyeshadow palette. And then also what's really cool is you can actually take the mirror out and then it's just like one palette. So you can kind of do it that way, but it makes it really cool because you can take out the mirror and use it as you need. And then it just fits right back in there and is all magnetic and just closes really nicely. So this is a really cool concept idea. So I think I'm going to put up a review on what I think about this eyeshadow palette, hopefully sometime next week. I do want to try it out a little bit more. Like I said, I only tried it out today. But my initial thought is that I really do like the highlight. I think it's really, really pretty. The blushes were nice as well. I'm still kind of deciding how I feel about the eyeshadows, so I definitely will get a review up for you guys and let you know what I think of the formula and everything like that. So be on the lookout for that. They also included a Vice lipstick, which is in Backtalk, which is the one I have on my lips right now. And then there's actually 5 different glide-on 24/7, what are these called? 24/7 glide-on eye pencils. So they gave me 5 different shades of those. So I'm really excited. I've actually only owned one of these. and I really do like it. I have a black one, so we have it in 0, which is black. They also gave me Demolten, which is a brown shade. We also have Alkane. These are weird names. Alkane, which is like a purple shade. And then we have Roach, which is like a tan orange shade. And then Heartless, which looks to be more of like a, I don't know, purple iridescent shade. So I'm really excited to try these. And then this next one was also from Urban Decay. They sent this over. So this is their new Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Glosses. So here's what it looks like. I was blown away when I got this in the mail. Obviously the other one I was too, but this one I was like, wow, this is a lot of lip glosses, like a lot. So super cool packaging. I love the way that they did this. I actually already put up a review on these. So if you guys want to know my opinion on what I think of these lip glosses, I will leave a card up above for you, and I'll also link it down below. But I have a full review. I swatched all the shades and kind of tell you guys what I think about the formula and everything like that. So if you guys want to see that, I won't really swatch them here just because I feel like you can head to that video if that's something you want to see. Huge thank you to Urban Decay for sending me both of these packages. I am so grateful. Thank you guys so much. So this next box actually came from Gerard Cosmetics. So I'm not really sure what's in here. I haven't opened it yet. So it says here that it is their 4th anniversary. Congrats to Gerard Cosmetics. So they have 2 new sets, it looks like, and then a new palette as well. We have a set of their glitter lipsticks. I've actually never tried these, so I'm excited to see what they look like. This set has 4 different glitter lipsticks, and it retails for $44. I'm excited to see what these look like. Let's swatch them. So this one is Cupid, which is a pretty reddish pink with some glitter. Ooh, that one's pretty. You can see like the flecks of glitter in it. This next one is Hollywood Boulevard. These actually smell really nice too. So there is Hollywood Boulevard. The next one here is DM Me. Ooh, this one is like a purple shade. That looks fun. So let's swatch that one. Ooh, I really like this one. That's like different. I don't think I have anything that even looks like that. That's really pretty. So here is DM Me. That's like a different shade. And then the last one in the set is Swipe Right. And let's swatch that one. So there is Swipe Right. These are all really, really pretty. I especially love that purple one. I can't wait to try these. And then they also have here their setting spray collection. So this has 3 little mini setting sprays. So I actually really like their setting sprays. I've tried the coconut one before. So this one looks like it has just like 3 different scents in there. It looks like lavender. We also have rose and then a cucumber scent. I think I'm gonna save this for a giveaway for you guys. Just because I know that I don't really love the smell of lavender, and also cucumber sometimes irritates my face. So the only one I would be able to use is rose. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and save this whole little gift set for one of you guys. And then lastly, from the anniversary collection, we have this palette, which is the Honeymoon palette. So it has 2 blushes in here and a bronzer. So these look really, really nice, and I'm excited to try it. It also has on here that if you guys want to use the code GC4, you can get a discount on your entire purchase at GerardCosmetics.com. Just thought I would mention that in case you guys were interested. The palette with the blush and the bronzer is $24. The Slay All Day minis are $35, and then the lipstick set, which is super pretty, is $44. So yeah, thank you so much to Gerard Cosmetics. I'm really excited to try some new products from you guys. All right, and then our last package here, I'm so excited. So this came from Drunk Elephant. I've never gotten a package from them before. I've always wanted to try their skincare products. So this was super exciting to get this in the mail. So let's see what they sent over. This is a huge box. Oh, how fun. Okay, so it looks like we have here, it says, look at the bright side. With a bunch of these like little frilly things. This looks very Easter-ish. So let's open this up. How cute. So it's actually a mirror. So it's a very large mirror. This is going to be perfect actually for doing like tutorials and stuff. So this is cute. And then they actually have in here So it says their Multivitamin 8 Peptide Blend 5 Vitamin C's. This is their C-Tango brand. So this is their new Instant Eye Relief. So it has this fun little can. So let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Do you guys remember these? Like those little sugar sticks? Well, I think they're called Pixie sticks. I'm not really sure what they're called. But there's like a ton of them in here. That's fun. Okay, so this is their C-Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream, and I'm really excited to try this. I've actually seen that this was coming out, and I was really interested by it. So here's what the packaging looks like. I can't wait to try this. I'm really, really excited about it. Oh, cool. I love their packaging too. I feel like it's just really different, so that's really unique. But yeah, I'm really, really excited to try this. I know that it does say that it has cucumber extract, so I'm kind of nervous that it's gonna make me break out just because I am sensitive to cucumber, but it says that it has brightening combination of 8 peptides, 5 forms of vitamin C, cucumber extract for firmer, stronger looking skin around the eye area. So I'm really excited to try this. Huge thank you to Drunk Elephant. This is so cute. So there's actually little candies in here as well. So super excited to try this out, and a massive thank you to Drunk Elephant for sending it to me. I'm always on the search for a new eye cream. That's gonna do it for this week's PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Huge thank you to the brands who sent over some of these incredible packages. I'm so grateful, and thank you of course to you guys for making this all possible for me and for being so supportive on these type of videos. I really love you guys, and honestly I couldn't do any of this or get any of these opportunities without you. So I really, really appreciate it. I actually have a giveaway planned for next week, so be on the lookout for that. It should be up sometime next week, and I have a ton of great prizes I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.